everybody. So it's Tuesday night. It's 7 o'clock. SJ's already been asleep for 30 minutes. He had a tough day sleeping at daycare as usual. Seems like I talked to his daycare teacher, and she said pretty much everybody did. So guess not a lot of people slept at daycare, so he only got about 30 minutes in, which, as you guys know, there's Jill texting me, probably telling me she's off work and what do I want for dinner. She says, I'm getting gas, would you like an egg tool? I'm guessing she means egg roll. Either way, the answer is yes. Anyway, so I'm just working on the vlog now and realized committing to do every Sunday and Wednesday is probably not a good idea, because between Sunday and Wednesday almost nothing happens. Most of you guys know, we're not that exciting of people, and if you're actually watching this vlog, then you've seen some 33 other episodes of us being boring. So I think I'm actually going to change it and start doing Thursday and Sunday, because that'll give us an extra day of filming between Sunday and Thursday, and then we always have more than enough between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because we actually normally do things together. So anyway, so I'll probably put this up Thursday instead of Wednesday. Maybe Wednesday, I don't know. But either way, next week it'll be Wednesday. All right, excuse me, Thursday and Sunday. But yeah, anyway, so I was just going to preface the stuff you're about to see in this vlog that I recorded the last couple of days. Mainly just me and Joel playing with SJ in his room. He discovered a new toy that's free. And we let him play around with the camera a little bit, so you get to see his first time recording, and it's as horrible / awesome as you would expect. Lots of heavy breathing, hence the title of this vlog. But anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to preface that so I didn't have to like type it all in like a little box for you guys to read beforehand. So the next couple of minutes of this are going to be pretty boring if you don't enjoy watching videos of my son. But if you love babies and you love SJ, then you'll love the next few minutes. So I'll probably film a little bit tomorrow. Until then, see you later.
He's breathing so hard.
Why do we even buy him toys?
I don't know.
Oh, that was a good one. Okay.
What are you doing?
That's good. This is SJ's vlogging debut as the cameraman. You're not very good at it, is she?
Like this. Oh, back to his old friend again. Oh. Oh. You okay, bud?
Oh, he likes looking at this.
Why do you breathe so loud?
And it's because he's obese. I got it, boy. Hey everybody, so it's Wednesday evening. It's 6 o'clock. I just got home with SJ and came home to a bit of surprise. SJ's not happy about it. And all right, buddy, drink your juice. Anyway, so came home and saw some puke on the floor, and I thought, oh no, one of the dogs, you know, sick or isn't feeling good, whatever. And I cleaned it all up, so you won't have to see it. It's a little graphic. But anyway, so I saw a pile of puke, and I thought, okay, no big deal. You know, let the dogs out, taking care of them. And I noticed it was brown, and I thought, that's interesting. And then I walk into the living room, and I see 4 or 5 more pretty big piles of puke, and a ripped open Reese's cup container thing. We had some candy for Phil and his stocking. They're coming to stay with us this weekend. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that Phil and Caroline are staying with us this weekend on their way up to Joplin. Probably the last time we'll see them for quite a while because they're moving to Alaska. So anyway, we're pretty excited about spending the weekend with them. But anyway, I digress. So I see that they've eaten a whole pack, a jumbo pack of Reese's cups, and I'm freaking out a little bit because, you know, dogs aren't supposed to have chocolate. Then I look further, and they also ripped into about $15 bag of sour candies and stuff that we got for Phil from one of those candy places, you know, the really expensive ones in the mall. Right there. So most of that's probably fine, but they ripped open into it and got the slobber on it, so I have to throw this entire $15 bag of candy away and go rebuy it because our dogs are bastards. So yeah, I cleaned up all the puke and cleaned the rug and everything, which Jill just deep cleaned. She steam mopped our floors and everything because SJ's been crawling so much, and she got everything really nice and clean for Caroline and Phil to come. And the dogs did this. Then I walked into the dining room and they had peed and pooped in there and puked in a few more places. So I guess they were just feeling like little jerk-offs today and ripped apart the house, and I've been cleaning for the last 30 minutes or so. Puke, poop, and pee. Had to wear gloves, you know, all that, because I worried that I couldn't get my hands clean enough to touch SJ. So, hadn't been a good day. And now, Jill's so mad we have to start locking the dogs up in their kennels all day, which, as you guys know, I don't agree with. I don't think it's fair to have them in their kennels at night and then have them in kennels at day. I hate owners who do that to their dogs. Like, why even have a dog if they're just gonna be locked up all the time? But she's right. I mean, in this case, I can't vouch for him anymore. I stick up for him all the time, and I can't have them peeing and pooping on the floor when we have a crawling baby. You know, I love my dogs. They're my kids too, but since he was born, they've just been terrible, and unfortunately we have to punish them, so they're gonna have to go in their kennels for a little while until I can figure something out. But anyway, so not a good day. Sorry to bring you down. This is probably not the usual happy-go-lucky ending to a vlog that you guys have grown accustomed to. I can promise you the vlog I post a few days later on Sunday will be awesome because we'll be spending it with Phil and Caroline, and we also are doing Christmas tomorrow night with Seth and Rachel, so we'll have the Freeman Christmas tomorrow, and then we'll have the Peterson Christmas this weekend. So good things to come. Today was not a good day, but things will get better, so I'll see you guys later.